Hello, my dear. Welcome to the ingredient channel. In this week's episode, we're making lamb stir fry. Carrying a good portion of vitamins, minerals, and protein, lamb can perform an excellent ingredient of a healthy diet. It typically shows up in recipes of stews and hot pot. Stir frying is another common way people consume lamb in China. The challenge, however, is how to retain the tenderness of the lamb and make it less chewy. In this homemade recipe, I'm going to share a few tricks to achieve the goal. Here's the list of ingredients, which is also in the description field down below. Subscribe if you like my video. Let's begin. Remove the fat from the lamb. Be careful not to cut your own fingers. If the large chopper knife is hard for you to control, feel free to use a smaller kitchen knife. Next, cut the lamb into thin slices, about 3 cm long, 1 cm wide, and 2 mm thick. Make sure to cut through the fiber of the meat. Wash the lamb in cold water, rinse thoroughly, and replace the water several times until the water gets clear. Squeeze the meat to drain the water. Let's prepare the lamb. These steps are critical for making the tender and juicy lamb stir fry, so make sure to follow carefully. First, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Massage the meat and turn in one direction. Smash the meat several times. Add cooking wine. Light soy sauce. And grind some black pepper for seasoning. Then add an egg white to increase the tenderness. Lastly, add starch and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil to seal the juice inside the meat. Massage again and put aside. Chop half an onion, put aside as well. In a heated pan, add 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add shredded ginger roots. Stir fry until soft. Add shredded red chili pepper. Keep stirring for about 1 minute. Take out the ginger and red chili pepper, set aside for use later. Let's fry the onion. This is going to take another minute or two. Once the onion gets soft and transparent, take them out and set aside. Add 2 more tablespoons of cooking oil to the pan. high heat. Scatter the lamb slices on the bottom of the pan as evenly as possible. Make sure they are well separated. Quickly stir fry. In about 2 minutes or so, liquid may come out. Do not get nervous. Keep stir frying for about 2 more minutes. Push the lamb to the side of the pan so the liquid evaporates easily. Then the juice will get thicker in about another minute. Add dark soy sauce and salt. Mix well. Then add the fried ginger root, red chili pepper, and onion back in. Quickly mix. Add a pinch of sugar and a few drops of sesame oil, scallion for garnish. Turn off the heat. Enjoy. The lamb is so tender. Juicy and tasty. Well, so good to have you. I hope you enjoyed this episode and check out the other videos in my channel. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks.